Masters of Chemistry, Inorganic Chemistry from Chittagong University. Chittagong University is one of the most reputed university of Bangladesh. I am just literally analyzing about chemical bond, strong bond, ionic bond. Ionic bond is a bond, strong bond. What kind of bond it is? It is there is necessary a cationic molecule, and anionic atom. Then cationic atom, just like sodium creates sodium plus an electron. This electron turn into such chlorine plus electron chlorine ion. This is a cation and this is anion. So cation sodium and chlorine anion create sodium chloride salt. Now cation, this is called a electrovalent bond. Now we are discussing about covalent bond. Strong bond, covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond such when carbon have 6 electron and 6 proton. Now we have to sketch diagram carbon. Carbon have 6 proton plus. Proton is a plus charge, and electron is a minus charge. In first orbital there is a 2 electron, and second orbital is 4 electron. So 6 proton, 4 electron. 6 proton, 6 electron. Now it is very impossible to splitting the 4 electron from another molecule or atom. So carbon create a covalent bond. There is sharing. How is this possible? Now we sketch carbon. The outer shell orbital, there is a 4 electron. Now hydrogen have a 1 electron. There is a bond into carbon and hydrogen, 2 electron and different electron. Such hydrogen 2 bond, 2 bond, 2 bond, 2 electron bond. This carbon is joined to 4 hydrogen, and this carbon is 4 hydrogen and create the methane. Create the methane. It is a covalent bond. Covalent bond is a strong bond. Now we dative covalent bond. bond or coordinate bond. Dative covalent bond or covalent bond. How is it possible? There is ammonia. Ammonia, just like so, one nitrogen and three hydrogen. Now, there is two electron, there's two electron, there's two electron, and they join create a bond, three bond. Nitrogen have 5 electrons. We discuss 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This p3 is, so there is 2 extra electrons, and these 2 extra electron, lone pair electron joined with hydrogen ion, and then it is created ammonium. Ammonium. This is a dative covalent bond, coordinate bond. Now, ammonium is a positive radical. Positive radical. Now, ammonium is a positive radical, and it is joined with chlorine anion and ammonium chloride. This is a covalent coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Then metallic bond. Metallic bond is a critical bond. Just this is the iron ferrum. There is a positive atom, and there is a electron. They are just like sea and ocean. Electron is floating there. It is a metallic bond. Physical bond. Now we are discussing about the physical bond. What kind of bond it is? Physical bond is a bond just like we are discussing about this molecule, there is a bond. Such induced dipole interaction. Force. Induced dipole injection. What kind of it is? Now I am just discarding the such nitrogen. N2. When electron is moving around, they are, I think they are positive, negative, and this is negative, positive. There is no electron, and there is no electron, positive, and delta minus and delta bond is a bond. It is the induced covalent bond. This is the induced dipole interaction. Dipole interaction. There is a dipole, there is a dipole, there is a dipole, there is a dipole. Dipole interaction. And permanent dipole interaction. Permanent dipole interaction. Van der Waals. Vander's force. Vander's force is a P B square and V minus B N R P. P is a pressure. V is a volume. And then A. What is A? A is when I think this is a volume. In this volume, there is molecule and there is a pressure. And pressure, when pressure increases, when temperature increase and then pressure increase, and then A is radius and A is increase and B is reduced, and it is a Vander's force. Hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond. This is hydrogen atom and this is hydrogen atom. Hydrogen is a one proton and one electron. One electron. And this hydrogen is a one proton and one electron. There is a interaction and there is a bond, and this is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. So there is a stop the lecture. I am Bireshwar. You almost, if you subscribe me and honor my lecture, I must be grateful to you. Thank you very much, Bireshwar. Thank you everybody.